what? What is this?
This is our free laundry sample.
Okay.
Right now, this is World of Wonder, and it's for the Magic House. It's a local soap that you can only get at Buff City Soap Kirkwood, so you can smell it.
Oh, wow.
This one is White Jasmine. So White Jasmine was a seasonal that we decided to keep exclusively because it did so well.
Wait a minute, I can't move. Oh, wow, that is nice. That one is real strong, though.
This is Commando. So it's a men's scent, but women love it too.
Nah, that's the winner right there.
That's the one? All right.
Yes. That one is nice. It's called what?
Commando.
Wow.
So all of our laundry soap, you can custom scent. So even if you like 2 fragrances in there and you want to combine them and it'd be a laundry set just for you, and you can even name it what you want to name it.
Thank you.
Yeah, go in and check us out.
I will. Hi.
Welcome in.
Wow. I'm fine. This is beautiful.
Have you shopped with us before?
No, I haven't. This is actually my first time.
Yeah. So welcome to Buff City. We are a plant-based company,
Okay.
and we make everything in store right here.
Oh, wow.
This is my first time at Buff City Soap. I love the layout of the store. It's really, really nice. Leave in the comments, let me know, have you ever shopped at Buff City Soap? If you did, what is your favorite item? Leave that in the comments because this is actually my very first time ever in the store. Let's enjoy the video. Buff City has so many items to pick from. They had beard oil for men as well as shower oil. They had different accessories, also things for your laundry like the dryer balls, things of that nature. They had a number of really, really nice items, and everything is made inside the store daily, which was very surprising to me. I got a text for a free bar soap, so I didn't know what to pick because it was so many different soaps to pick from. The price range is from $7 all the way up to $9, and I believe the soaps that's $9 have shea butter in them. But like I said, it was so many to pick from, and it was so hard. Yeah, it was so hard because all the soaps smell amazing. They are so nice.
Okay, y'all, welcome. I know I'm late. I didn't even know I was gonna record this video, and I just threw some lipstick on. I'm sorry, y'all, but I didn't even know I was gonna go into this store, this Buff City Soap. This is the second or third location here in St. Louis. So I was super excited to go. I'm actually just leaving out of Target and I seen that they were now open. So I decided to go in and film a little bit, and I made a purchase. As well as y'all seen that she did give me some free items. Well, one free item. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Your girl truly appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all my people that's watching everything, no matter what your girl putting out, vlogs, review, hauls, walkthrough, whatever you're watching. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting, y'all. When I tell y'all, that store is so nice. I have my mask on, of course, even though some people are still really not wearing a mask, but I'm wearing mine. But I could still smell the store. I love how bright the store look. Everything is made inside the store. And this isn't the only location. They got locations everywhere. I'm not sure how many locations, but they did give me a free soap. Any soap I wanted, I could get a free full-size bar of soap. I couldn't believe it. Actually, I had it upside down, and I decided to grab the All Hail the Queen. All Hail the Queen. But this is the soap I decided to grab, All Hail the Queen. I forgot to send notes, but I will look them up and post it. But I decided to grab this, and it have shea butter in it. This is nice. I just love the way it look. So nice. But also at these stores, you can do like bath bomb parties where you and your girls or your homies or whoever could actually come to the location, and all y'all could create different bath bombs, any scent, any style, however you want it. You can do that at this store. Super nice, super nice. I got this as well. Y'all know when I first walked up, she did give me some laundry detergent, which is in Commando, and this smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is super nice. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. It actually smells like a candle that I have. I don't know which one, but it smells really good. And I will post the scent notes of this as well. I grabbed 2 mystery boxes. I don't know what's in these boxes, but they are pretty heavy. So I got a feeling that they're gonna be probably bath bombs. I don't know, but maybe I should open it. I hope, my fingers is crossed. My fingers is crossed. I hope that it's a bar soap. But they did say it's 3 items in every box. You know, you might get a full-size item, and then maybe a little small slither of soap or something. So let's open up one. Okay, in the mystery box. Oh, wow. A bath bomb. This is what the bath bombs look like. And as I said, they are made inside the store. Yes. And I don't know what this is, but this as well. This might be that little shaver thing. Actually, it's in here. Okay, the bath bomb is Magnolia. The soap is, wow, this is a nice size bar of soap. Let's slither of soap. This is in lavender, as y'all see. And this is a shower
Fizzy.
That's what this is. And it's in Beast. I don't know. But it does come with a card, which is really nice. Wow, this was a really good deal. And this was only $7. 3 products, 3 nice size products for $7. You cannot beat that. You can't beat it. And I'm not sure if this is something that they have all the time, or is it just something that they had for today. I don't know. But for $7, that was a good deal, I must say. 3 free items, and I can't even tell y'all how much the bath bombs cost. I will post it, because I will go on the site and get more details about the scents that I just showed y'all. like I said, I got 2. So let's see what's in this last one. I think I might be hooked. This store kind of remind me of Lush, but as you know, Lush do a number of things like body care, different things like that. This store is really basically soap. I think they had hand soap, laundry detergent, bath bombs, things of that nature, as y'all did see in the walkthrough. Wow, okay, this box is basically the same thing. The same bath bomb, as y'all see. But this time I got a different kind of soap. It looks like I got the butt end of the soap because it kind of goes in a little bit. And then I got another one of those shower fizzy things. Okay, let's see. The soap is PSL. I don't know what that means. Oh, this is good. Wow. Oh my God, this smells so good. It kind of smells really like caramel almost. Super nice. And like I said, I got a card. And again, the fizzy is in Beast. The same thing. So $7, you can't beat that. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure if this is something that they have all the time. I don't know, but I know today they did have it. Amazing deal. And plus, this is a good way to try their products. I didn't even smell the lavender soap. Let me smell the lavender soap real quick. I believe you can go online and get this stuff as well. This is good too. Wow. Dang, I probably should have went. I should have got another one. I should have got another one. I should have got 3 of these boxes. Because you can't beat the price. $7, you cannot beat the price at all. I'm gonna be back because y'all do know I love homemade soaps. I love soaps with really good ingredients. I don't usually buy, well, I used to buy like Dove and Caress and things like that, but I kind of moved away from those soaps. I love homemade soaps. I love natural soaps. I love buying soap from Marshalls and TJ Maxx, places like this. But what I love about this is homemade, which you know they're going to use really good ingredients, shea butter, coconut oils, things of that nature, which is better for your body. So yes, this is good. This smells good. And then I most definitely will do another video to tell y'all if this soap is actually good. So yeah, if you are interested in Buff soap, as y'all see, if you're interested in Buff soap, you most definitely could shop online. You can shop online. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let me know, have you ever bought anything from Buff soap, or is this your first time you've ever heard about them? They're new to St. Louis. They only probably been in our area maybe a year. I'm not sure, but I know it hasn't been long at all. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you ever shopped at Buff soap? And if you have, what is your number one item that you buy from Buff soap? Buff City soap. I keep pronouncing it wrong or saying it wrong, sorry. If you have ever bought any soap from Buff City soap, leave that in the comments. Let me know, what is your picks, what is your favorite item at this soap store. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.